How to withdraw crypto from Kraken app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw crypto from Kraken app. So in order to withdraw crypto from Kraken app, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instructions as guided. Now, in order to withdraw crypto from Kraken app, first of all, you need to make sure that you have the wallet address where you actually withdrawing or transferring. So if you're withdrawing to your bank account, then make sure that you have already linked your bank account to Kraken account. So enter in your credential, that is your email address or username, and then a password. Once logged in, it's going to take you to the home page where you need to go and select withdrawal from the top left hand side corner, address where you actually withdrawing, and you also need to enter in the exact amount. Next page is going to ask you to select what you actually want to withdraw, whether it's a cryptocurrency or Bitcoin or whatsoever. You're done selecting that as well. Lastly, you'll need to go through all of the confirmation, that is the information you've provided. If you're sure about the information that you've provided, then click the confirm button, and then you'll be notified with a statement that the withdrawal has been confirmed and you've successfully withdrawn crypto from Kraken app. So in this way you can withdraw from Kraken app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.